Create customization mode. Open the Gouly Light app, go to the controller page and connect the controller first. Tap the device power button to test whether the LED pixel lights can turn on and off normally. Enter the light control page and tap several colors to check whether the lights change correctly. After confirming the device works properly, tap the second icon at the bottom to enter the custom mode page. Tap Create Custom Mode to start creating a new custom lighting mode. Each numbered circle on the page represents each LED pixel light connected in order from the controller output. The last number is the total number of LED pixels currently set. If you need to change the light quantity, return to Settings and adjust pixel quantity. When creating a mode, first select a color at the bottom, then tap the corresponding LED circle. The selected LED pixel light will turn on with the chosen color and flashes. You can tap multiple LED circles to set different colors for different pixels. If you do not want to select them one by one, tap the Select button in the top menu. After selecting multiple LED circles, tap a color at the bottom, and all selected pixels will change to that color. To cancel selection, tap the Cancel button in the top menu to exit selection mode. If you want to undo the previous step, tap the Undo button in the top menu. If you want to restore the undone step, tap the Redo button next to it. The last button in the menu is Repeat, which repeats the selected colors across all pixels in order. For example, select several LED pixels with different colors, then tap Repeat, and all pixels will repeat those colors in order. Tap Apply to Light to preview the repeated lighting effect. After previewing, the LED pixels will stop flashing and show the color effect for the selected numbers. You can also select several LED pixels and adjust their brightness using the brightness slider. This means each LED pixel can be set with its own color and brightness. After learning the basic operation, continue setting the colors and brightness for the remaining LED pixels. After all settings are complete, tap Apply to Light to preview the full effect. After confirming the effect is correct, tap the Save button in the top right corner. Enter a custom mode name, then tap Save again to complete the creation. After saving, the custom mode you created will appear on the custom mode page. Tap the Switch button to turn this custom mode on or off. Tap the three dots below the Switch button to enter Delete mode. If you tap Confirm, the custom mode you created will be deleted.